Dear students, in the last class we discussed about Matthew Arnold. Today we will discuss about his poem Dover Beach. Matthew Arnold's Dover Beach was published in 1867. This was during the Victorian era when the world was shifting from one with a basic belief in Christian tradition to one based on the impersonal world of Darwin and other 19th century scientists. This poem is about how there is a conflict between religion and science, and how the world is losing faith in God, and how the only things that can fill the void that faith once filled are loyalty, comfort, and love. Matthew Arnold's Dover Beach is about how the world is losing faith in God and how love, comfort, and loyalty are the only things that can fill the void that faith once filled. Arnold was known for finding darkness in the light. So the poem is generally melancholic. In the beginning, the speaker makes it clear that only slight attention given to details will reveal something pessimistic. Even on calm nights, there is misery. He believes that there is a constant and eternal serious tone to life. Furthermore, the use of waves as a symbol of life's miseries indicates that one is never free of life's struggles because there is always a wave of misery waiting. Dover Beach is the most celebrated poem by Matthew Arnold, a writer and educator of the Victorian era. The poem expresses a crisis of faith, with the speaker acknowledging the diminished standing of Christianity, which the speaker sees as being unable to withstand the rising tide of scientific discovery. New research and intellectual inquiry cast doubt on humankind's central and spatial role in the universe. The speaker in the poem senses this change almost subconsciously, seeing and hearing it in the sea that the speaker is looking out upon. In its expression of alienation, doubt, and melancholy, the poem is often interpreted as a remarkably forward-thinking precursor to 20th century crisis of faith like existentialism and absurdism. In essence, the poem is an inquiry into what it means to be alive. Matthew Arnold, a famous poet and critic, wrote Dover Beach, a famous dramatic monologue. This poem describes a distinct clash between religion and the modern world. It also illustrates how the beauty of the world is correlated with the loss of faith. The poem presents two things: the reality of the new world and the loss of faith. The poet argues that the world is no more beautiful as it used to be. At first, standing on the cliffs of Dover Beach, he records his feelings about the tranquil sea. He also calls his love to enjoy this majesty of nature, glimmering lighthouse, famous white cliffs of Dover, and the sound of waves hitting at the seashore. This enchanting scene reminds him of the Greek dramatic Sophocles and his tragic plays. He states that in the past people had faith in the past and the world was a good place, but now it has become hollow without any joy, happiness, and faith. Also, people are unable to differentiate between reality and illusion. So faith is slipping away. The poem conveys a message that it is only through love people can find the lost faith. Man, the natural world, and loss of faith are the major themes in the poem. Arnold laments the loss of faith in the world with resultant cruelty, uncertainty, and violence. Although the world appears as a land of mesmerizing dreams, in reality, humanity is standing on the verge of chaos, perplexed, confused, and empty from inside. Therefore, Arnold urges his beloved and himself to be true to one another to survive in this land. Dover Beach is one of the most popular poems of Matthew Arnold. It gives expression to the melancholy mood of the poet. In fact, it is one of the greatest elegies of Arnold and strikes a note of sadness. According to Herbert Paul, profoundly melancholy in tone, it expresses the peculiar turn of Mr. Arnold's mind, at once religious and skeptical, philosophical and emotional, better than his famous treatise on philosophy and religion. Dover Beach was published when Victorian England was torn between Romanticism and Classicism. On the side of religion, Arnold's character led him to a melancholy reaction from the old faiths and to a social rejection of them as outworn things. The poem occupies an important place among the thoughtful poems of Arnold. The theme of the poem is the decay of religious belief and the increasing doubts and uncertainties in the mind of human beings. Arnold tells that there was a time when the earth was full of faith. The poet mourns the loss of faith that has given place to skepticism and uncertainty. The world has now become barren. Here men live in the darkness of ignorance. They are busy in aimless struggle. So, in the next class, we will discuss the poem Dover Beach in detail. Thank you.